to switch to our next class. This is our 301 to 450cc. It's our first competitor. I don't think this is fun, so it's 30-year-old. She's on a 400cc bombardier. She'll be our test puller. We'll set the sled to her.
I don't know.
She's taking a nice easy approach. Now she's getting after it, making some speed.
Oh yeah, she's getting after it all right. I think you might have hit quarter throttle on that one.
Maybe they know stop when you go.
She's got a green light. She can go anytime she wants. She's going to get after it now. Getting pretty heavy.
Still got it.